The iQOO Z10x 5G in titanium, with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, features a 6,500 mAh battery, a Dimensity 7300 processor, a 50 megapixels Ultra HD camera, and military-grade certified durability. This model is well received, with a 4.3 out of 5 stars rating, and is an Amazon's choice, with over 5,000 units bought last month. It features UFS 3.1 storage technology. The iQOO Z10x 5G is available for a competitive price of 14,999 rupees, offering 14% savings. EMI options start at 734 rupees per month for 24 months with an HDFC Bank credit card. Experience the fastest smartphone in its segment with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor. The power-efficient 4nm TSMC process delivers a smooth, lag-free experience. The device boasts a 728K plus Antutu score. Enjoy non-stop power every day with the massive 6,500 mAh battery and 44W flash charge. The phone also supports 44W flash charge and Type-C to Type-C reverse charging. The Z10x 5G features a 120Hz eye care display with TUV Rhineland eye protection for exceptional clarity. It includes a 50 megapixels Ultra HD camera and 4K video, military-grade certified durability, and AI features like AI erase and AI translation. Capture stunning photos and high-resolution 4K videos with the 50 megapixels Ultra HD main camera. It is powered by AI features, including AI erase, AI photo enhance, and AI screen translation. The latest software experience runs on FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15. It includes 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches, ensuring a seamless experience. Customer reviews show balanced feedback. The phone is praised for best value, solid battery, and reliable performance. Display, camera quality, and sound quality have mixed reviews.